It's fall, and fall is my very favorite time of year. I love the warm golden colors and all of the texture. Today we're using the Celebrate Autumn collection by Echo Park Paper, and I love that we've got papers that look like burlap that add texture. We're adding in lots of ribbons and hemp twine. We've got brads, all this texture with the Nuvo crystal drops. We also are going to take some of these burlap pattern papers and make these adorable place cards for your Thanksgiving table. It's going to be fun. We're going to begin this layout by using this burlap paper and place it on this golden background color. I've gone ahead and outlined this paper just to give it a bit more definition. Now we're going to do something fun with the banner punch board. We've created a larger banner with this tool, but I want to create a small banner for this layout. So I've gone ahead and cut out several of the pattern papers and strung them together to go across the top of the page like this. We're going to add a couple of brads to the top to secure our banner to. Just find something sharp or use the tip of your scissors and just poke a hole through your paper, and then you can go ahead and add your brad. After you've done that, just wrap the twine around the brad and you've secured the banner to the top of your page. Next, we're going to add our photo. I have these photos of me and my family at Thanksgiving, and my mom has a silly turkey outside of front of her house that we posed by, which was kind of fun. So I thought we would include that with our Thanksgiving memories this year. I'm going to add that to this beautiful floral paper. I love the large scale of those flowers. They're perfect for calling attention to these two photos, but they would be a lot of fun to fussy cut as well. I have this beautiful twill ribbon with the stitching going through the middle, and we're going to wrap that around the photos and tie it in a knot. We're going to mat this again onto some green paper, and that will help it really stand out. I love all these fall colors. Let's add this to the page. We're just going to overlap the banner instead of having those pennants hang over the photo. I'm going to dress up this knot a little bit more by pulling in another brad and this chipboard tag. We're going to add that here with some twine. I wanted to do something fun and different for the title on this page, something quick and easy. So I decided to cut out this 3x4 card and use that as my title. This is great when you don't know what to say, or maybe you don't have room for a longer title. So a journaling card works great in this area. I'm going to cut it out again, just in a random wonky circle fashion. I want to mat this again and bring in this golden color from the background paper. So I'm going to add this card to this solid paper, and then using my scissors, I'm going to cut around this shape again. This card looks really cute on its own, but I wanted it to stand out even more. So I used this wreath die and I cut it out a couple of times, and then I've used the Nuvo crystal drops in an autumn red to add berries to the wreaths. We're going to layer them on top of each other and then place our title card on top. Because the berries have a bit of dimension to them, I'm going to pop up this title card with some foam squares. Now we're going to create a fun fall scene on the bottom of this page. I'm going to add a strip of green solid paper for our grass. And then I'm going to bring back in this fence die cut that we used earlier in the Easter layout. I love dies like this that you can use in multiple ways when you cut them out in different colors. For example, we cut it out in white for spring. It looks adorable in brown for fall, but you could also cut it out in black to have a Halloween look. We're going to add some corn stalks over to this side of the layout. Then of course we need some cute fall patterned pumpkins. They kind of look like they are cut out of a plaid cozy shirt. Then we'll add in a few of our forest friends, a few leaves. After finishing your scene along the bottom, you can finish it off with a few enamel dots and die cut leaves, and you have the perfect page to record your Thanksgiving family memories. Are you hosting Thanksgiving dinner this year? How about creating a fun little favor gift for each of your guests to leave on their plate? It will double as a place card holder. I used the Sizzix flower pocket die to create the base of this project. Let's put one together real quick. It comes in 2 pieces. I've gone ahead and inked the edges just to give it more of a fall feel. And we're just going to add adhesive to each of the tabs. And it comes together lickety-split. Fold the side over, and then we just close up the bottom. Now we can decorate the front. I've cut out this blue circle that we're going to add as the base. Next, fall is all about texture, so I embossed this circle with a polka dot pattern. When you're looking to do a project like this, look for accents from a collection that include large pieces like this animal that you see here. You can see that this set by Echo Park Paper has several large animal characters, and so you're going to be able to do several pockets for your table. I'm going to choose this raccoon. And then we're going to add the name of our guest by stamping it out onto some craft cardstock with some dark chocolate ink. Place that at the bottom. And then we're going to add in some die cut leaves for a fall feel. Just place a few, tuck a few behind the little critter, and he looks like he's on his way to a forest party. Add a bag of goodies and a cute tag, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.